Hi guys, Tom Gerber with you here at MarineMax Cocoa. We're going to highlight another Harris Sunliner today. This is a 23-footer. I wanted to start though and show you guys something we don't often do, and that's show you what the full cover looks like on these Harris boats. Now every one of these Harris boats comes with one of these covers. It's very nice. It's got plastic clips on it, so it just clips to the railing. Very few snaps on these, if any anymore. This boat happens to be the new sage green color with the black fence railing. It's a really sharp combination. Just wanted you to see it with the cover on it. We're going to take a minute, get the cover off of it, and show you the interior of this boat. All right, now that we have the cover off on this beautiful boat, you'll see that it's equipped with a 200 Mercury. This is DTS, digital throttle. It makes shifting and throttle use very simple. This is the Sun Lounger layout again, so you've got ample storage back here and a built-in cooler. Of course, the Sun Lounger back lifts up and it'll lay down in any position you want. It's a single helm Sun Lounger. This boat is equipped with the JL audio system. It's got a 9-inch Simrad display in it. You can also see the nice little tray here to hold your cell phone, wallet, whatever. You've got 12-volt and USB. As you move forward, two really nice sized sofas up here for 2 people or 4. Under each one of these is storage. And you can see the bases of these seats are all made out of plastic, so you don't have to worry about any wood rot or anything on these boats. Beverage holder locations also have USB plugs. This boat is available here at the store. It's a 23 Sunliner, 2023 Harris. Stop down and see us.